Do not ignore these gardening needs for your pomegranate. Provide full sunlight. Pomegranates need 6 to 8 hours of direct sun daily for proper fruit development. Shade reduces flowering while sunlight attracts essential pollinators. Plant in well-draining soil. Plant in well-draining sandy or gravelly loam soil. Amend clay with compost and sand to prevent root rot and encourage growth. Maintain consistent watering. Young trees need consistent moisture for 2 seasons. Deep, infrequent watering promotes healthy roots and prevents fruit cracking during development. Mulch to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Apply a 2-inch organic mulch layer to retain moisture, stabilize soil temperature, suppress weeds, and create habitat for beneficial insects. Feed with balanced fertilizer. Apply balanced 10-10-10 fertilizer in early spring and summer. Too little causes weak growth, while excess nitrogen reduces flowering. Prune annually for structure and fruit production. Prune dead or crossing branches in late winter to improve sunlight penetration, air circulation, and encourage vigorous new fruiting wood,